Let's learn new words.
We have here nature or nature words. Light, something that helps us see in the dark. Sky, the blue space above us. Ocean, a very big body of water. Okay, living things. We have grass, green plants on the ground. Fruits, sweet food grows on trees. Animals, living creatures like dogs, birds, and fish. We also have here describing words. Bright. Can you say that? Bright. Yes, the full of light. Deep. Say that again. Deep. Yes, very. For down. Wide. Very big or large. Okay, for action words, we have here create. Can you say that? Create. To make something new. Grow. To become bigger. To become bigger. Yes. Rest. To relax after work. So, what are the words we have today? Light, sky, ocean, grass, fruits, animals, bright, deep, wide, create, grow, rest. Nice job. That's fantastic.
Would you like to book with me? I'm your teacher Chinese guy. Let's learn English together. We have here the contact details and my screen.